Anybody can put out a press release, anybody can just go to the newspaper, figure out who to pitch, and in the end, do it. But it's just not the way we do it. At Petty Pebbles, we always say there are two parts of PR. There's a science part, which is a more mechanic. So if you are creating a recipe and you put a certain ingredients that would be in a press release, social media, the things that you just know you are supposed to do and within PR. And then there's art. That's where Petty Pebbles differentiate itself. We get the ingredients in there, but it's the way you put them together. It's the way that you tell the story for the brand and then you finally jam within the brand that they go resonate with their ideal audience. We are in services of good stories. We say Petty Pebbles is about a great brand, great stories, great result. There is a reason why there are stories in there. It's about identifying those within your story. There are so many other stories, or maybe your story doesn't have likes. Here is how we look at it. What are those key ways that your brand should be communicating your ideal target market? Where is your ideal target market? Are they on Facebook? Maybe not. Are they on Twitter? Okay, maybe it's in a part of the time, but where should we focus your efforts? There are so many ways to be able to tell somebody something word of mouth, social media, traditional media. How can it all work together in order to fulfill that objective? And you may not think that you're the right audience for your brand, but we think this is the right audience for your brand because this, and this. And we know that their loyalty is going to be there. We turn them into your brand ambassador. PR is a process. PR is about building relationships with the media and with your target audience. It's about seeding stories on a regular basis. You don't want to have one hit, wonderful PR stories because it's not going to build your brand value. You want to be able to talk about your multiple things over a period of time in a consistent way and get that value what your brand is in front of the